Hey, what's going on, fuckers? It's Christopher Rausch, No Excuses Coach. Hey, you're pretty fucking awesome. Keep that shit up. Back at the gym again. Guess what? Last week I posted about my pain and how I didn't feel like I wanted to go to the gym, and I said sometimes you got to push through the pain. Well, I'm happy to say I'm feeling a little bit better today. My pain's not as bad because I've been in stretching, working out the muscles, getting the body moving, and sometimes that's important. But what I want to talk about today is naysayers, the people that tell you that you can't do something or you shouldn't do something. I'm living proof that if you do what you want to do and you fight and you do your best, it's pretty incredible what it is that you can accomplish. I've had so many people in my life tell me, don't have the hat and the bandana on, don't swear, blah, 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 you'll get more money. And yeah, chances are I left money on the table, but at the end of the day, what are you going to take with you? You're not going to take anything with you. What are you going to leave? You're going to leave a legacy that your kids and your family are going to be proud of. I stand my ground. I am who I am, and I love who I am, and I'm proud of myself for standing that way. That's what I want for you to do. No excuses. Stay unstoppable. I love you guys. See you next time.